Currently, the price of Bitcoin and the whole Bitcoin community is waiting for its halving, which is in less than, I would say, 18-17 days. And also, the price of Bitcoin is right now forming an important price action. And my trade updates, everything I will discuss in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. Landing on the Bitcoin's 4-hour chart, and you can clearly see the price of Bitcoin is currently in a sideways market, and more importantly in a pennant pattern. As you can clearly see right there, first it was in an uptrend, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then the price of Bitcoin managed to sustain above its previous higher low level, which was this means it is in an uptrend. However, the price did not made a new higher high, so that means that the uptrend is no longer active in the price of Bitcoin. Also, if I see low, high, lower low, lower high, and then not again a lower low. So I hope you can understand that neither it is a uptrend nor it is a downtrend. The price of Bitcoin is right now sideways and forming in a pennant pattern. I won't say that this pennant pattern is a bullish pattern right now. Obviously, I will wait for a perfect breakout either to the upside or to the downside to enter in a market in a long or short position. However, you can clearly see right now the price of Bitcoin is perfectly giving support to this trend line right here and this trend line right here as well. So it's better to wait right now and not just enter directly. And if you wanted, you could have entered somewhat over here. Why? First of all, this is an important support zone. This purple zone is an important support zone, and second is support from the trend line as well. Well, the price managed to come all the way down till here. This means there are high chances that if I see some kind of a bullish indication, so I can enter in a trade of a reversal side, and you can clearly see this whole move can be captured again. Well, right now for very shorter term, the price of Bitcoin is in an uptrend. Well, I'll just wait for now to see a breakout of this trend line towards the upside with a retest, and then only go long. Or maybe I can go long without any retest as well, because right now you can clearly see the price of Bitcoin has did a breakout of this purple zone and it is sustaining above it, kind of retesting only. So now I think it will be a continuation towards the upside if the price of Bitcoin moves. Also, yesterday I posted a tweet that I'm going long on wormhole on Bybit, and I did mention that why I'm going long. So let me discuss that also. So why I mentioned that I'm going long on worm is because first of all, it did get listed on Bybit and major crypto exchanges. However, just after the listing, the price of wormhole started to dump towards the downside, because mostly the people were holding the airdrop tokens that they were given airdrops, so they were all booking their profits. However, this project is a very good project, I believe, and you can clearly see right here it was in a downtrend. This was the high, then lower low, lower high, and then a lower low, and after that the price did not went again to a lower high. It sustained in a sideways market. So I entered when the price did a breakout of this sideways market right here. It did a breakout and then at a retest somewhat over here was my entry point. Currently it is in a loss. My trade is going at a loss. No issues, because even if this trade goes against me, still I will lose only $2. So not a big issue for me right now, and I'm ready to lose my $2 as well. And in couple of minutes I will show you my Bybit trade as well. So here I am on my Bybit app, and now you can clearly see it is not a demo. And I told you that when I'll start making some money in crypto and well have some funds, I will definitely trade with real money as well, because I'm not just a trader trading on demo. I did not have funds back at that time, that's why I was trading on demo. However, now I'm trading with live real money, as you all can see right here. If I click right now, just here, you can clearly see there is no demo kind of thing written right now. So this is my trade on ENA, and why I went long on ENA is that there was a launch pool on Binance and Bybit for the ENA. So I staked some couple of hundreds of dollars, and I did received $2-3 on Binance launch pool. which I was not expecting at all, which is a very bad experience. That I staked couple of hundreds of dollars, still receiving only $2-3. So what I did was I used that money, that $2-3, to go long on ENA, because I knew it is a good project, ENA, and it has the potential to go towards the upside. And I did went long on ENA, and I closed my 50% of my trade already with the profits. And right now this is the rest of my trade running, $3 in profits right here. So approx total I made $4-5 in ENA as well. And also this is my wormhole trade. You can clearly see currently it is in a loss, and it's okay, not a problem. Even if it gets liquidated or my stop loss get hits, still I will lose only $2, so it's okay, no problem, because the potential is that it can go all the way up till $14, my profits. So let's see what happens. These are my trades and it is a real account. So yes guys, I hope you understand about the Bitcoin's price action. Currently it is sideways, forming a pennant pattern. It's better not to trade, avoid it, and let's see what happens near the halving. And my live trade updates, real account this time on ENA and wormhole. Well, it is a small account, but I will grow it gradually, not an issue right here. And right now I'm popping an image of ENA, like what is ENA and what is wormhole. So do read about these projects right here, and I will link them in the description as well. That's why I went long, because they are very good projects. So I hope you understand. And if you want to trade on Bybit like me, you can do that for free. You can create an account for free and can get $30,000 gift as well. So do create an account on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the comments. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Do follow my Twitter. I will update you guys on my trade updates and small crypto updates there. Thank you.